EagleRidge, your trusted roofing contractor in Elk Ridge, Utah. EagleRidge is the leading roofing contractor in Elk Ridge, Utah, 84651, offering a full range of residential and commercial roofing services throughout the surrounding areas. We specialize in providing exceptional roofing solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of your property, whether it's a new installation, a repair, or ongoing maintenance. Our expert team is dedicated to delivering high-quality craftsmanship and reliable service every time. For residential properties, we offer a variety of services to ensure your home's roof is in top condition. Whether it's a complete roof replacement, storm damage repair, or regular maintenance, we've got you covered. Our services also include gutter installation, ice and water shield protection, ventilation solutions, and even swamp cooler installations and removals. For commercial properties, we offer specialized roofing systems, including flat roof installation, metal roofing, and TPO or EPDM membrane systems. Our commercial services also include roof coatings to extend roof life, preventative maintenance plans through our peak protection plan, and siding and ventilation solutions. We understand the unique needs of commercial buildings and provide tailored solutions to keep your property safe and secure. At EagleRidge, we pride ourselves on our attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction. We ensure every project is completed with the utmost care and professionalism, from the initial inspection to the final cleanup. Our transparent pricing, high-quality materials, and expert team ensure your roofing project is completed on time and within budget. Discover why EagleRidge is the trusted name for roofing in Elk Ridge and the Wasatch Front. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to learn how we can help with your roofing needs. Let us take care of your roof so you can enjoy peace of mind.